Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen amazing integration and today example is integration under root a square minus x square divided by x square dx. If you want the simple solution then watch video till at the end. Okay, now let's do start. First we can write the given integral I is equal to integration under root a square minus x square divided by x square and dx. Now we have think about it which method is better for this example. We have here put the substitution method, that means substitute x is equal to a sin theta, then this equation becomes as x is equal to a sin theta. This equation differentiate, then we get dx is equal to a cos theta and d theta. Then this equation becomes, we can write as simplification form, this is a square x square, that means this is the a square, this is sin square theta, and divided by this is x square, that means this is the a square into sin square theta, and into dx is equal to, we have value a cos theta d theta, a cos theta and d theta. Here we observe this term here a get cancelled and this is the term only remaining a. Then this equation we can write, here we take the common a square and a square, then under root a square in bracket 1 minus we can write sin square theta, and divided by this is a into sin square theta, and here only cos theta and d theta. Now observe here a square and get outside in the root, then we get here I is equal to a and under root and 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. We know that all this term, okay, yes, and divided by a sin square theta into cos theta and d theta. Now here a get cancelled and cos square theta we can write as cos theta divided by sin square theta into cos theta and d theta, and again we can write the simplification form cos into cos theta, that means we get here cos theta, that means cos square theta, and divided by sin square theta d theta. Here we know that cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Yes, okay, but we have here find the integration, but we know that cot 1 plus cot theta is equal to cosec square theta. Yes, then cot theta is equal to, we can write here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, then cot square theta is equal to, we can write here cosec square theta minus 1. Therefore this integral become as cosec square theta minus 1 and d theta. Then here we know that integration of cosec square theta is equal to minus, yes, cot theta, and this is minus theta and plus is constant. Yes, okay, now we can here back put in terms of x value. Yes, okay, but we know that here x is equal to, we know that x is equal to a sin theta. Yes, okay, therefore we can write here sin theta is equal to x upon a. Yes, okay, but we have sin theta is equal to x by a, and we want to find the theta is equal to value and minus cot theta is equal to, that means cot theta is equal to y into value put up in this equation. Therefore we get the final solution as, we can write here x by a is equal to sin theta, then we get theta is equal to sin inverse x by a, and we want to find the cot theta, but cot theta is equal to, we know that under root this is the cosec square theta minus 1, and we can also simplify this equation 1 upon sin square theta minus 1, and we know that this is the 1 minus we can write as sin square theta and divided by sin theta. Therefore we can put here 1 minus, but sin theta is equal to x by a, that means we get here x square divided by a square and divide sin theta x, that means this is the x by a. Then we get the simplification form, this equation we get a square minus x square and divide by this x a square, and this a, that means get cancel, and we get here under root a square minus x square divided by x. then we get final solution we can write here. Then my final solution we can write as I is equal to minus, okay, cot theta, we know that this is the under square a square minus x square divided by x, and minus, that's mean theta, we know that this is the sine inverse x by a, and plus c is the constant of integration, and this is my final amazing solution. Yes, okay, if you like this video then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.